All right, so for DMR today, we are going to be looking at Diamond Head, which is a famous mountain located in Hawaii. I want to know what is the height in inches. All right, so height in inches. Okay, let me highlight this for you. And we're dealing with feet right now. So what do we know? Well, we know Diamond Head is 761 feet. Okay, we know it's 761 feet. We know we always put what we know over 1. What we're trying to get to is inches, so that goes up on top. And what we want to get rid of is feet. So we have to go to our conversion table or chart. And how many inches are in a foot or in a feet? 12 inches in 1 foot. So I put my 12 inches in 1 foot. So then my feet cross off. My feet cross off. So now I have to multiply across. 761 times 12. Okay, so 7, 6, 1, and we start with 12. Times it. So we start off with a 2. If it helps, like some of you, I know I have done this for you, put a box or cover this up, fill it up, so you don't have to worry about the 1 for right now. So you're just focusing on the 2. So 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 6 is 12. Put the 1 up above. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. Now, since you're done with the 2, you're going to cover up the 2. But in order to cover it up, you have to stay in line with the 1. And to stay in line with the 1, you want to make sure that you put a 0 below the 2. Because you want to stay in line with its place value. So now you start with your 1. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 6, 6. 1 times 7, 7. And then we add those up. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 6 plus 5 is 11. And you'll have enough 1s. And then you have 7 plus 1 is 8, plus another 1 is 9. So your answer is 9,132 inches. And remember, you want to put it over 1. Okay, you don't have to put inches there. So your answer, anything over 1, remember, is itself. So your answer is 9,132 inches. Okay, and that's your DMR for today.